What's up YouTube, it's the Gizmo Pro here. Yesterday, Samsung hosted their highly anticipated Summer Unpacked event, unveiling 2 new phones and 3 new wearable devices. Including variations in sizes, there's quite a bit to cover. I had the chance to go hands-on with everything, so here are some first impressions. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the bell notification icon to get all my latest videos. Starting with the phones, Samsung revealed the latest foldables, the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6. These new models are minor iterations of last year's versions, unfortunately. As it's easy to dismiss this as Samsung settling, it's worth noting that these phones are still at the forefront of foldable technology and AI. The Z Fold 6 looks almost identical to the Z Fold 5, with slightly squared off sides, a revised camera housing, and thinner bezels. Both screens now reach up to 2600 nits. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and available in new colors, the Fold 6 also boasts a slightly better hinge, an ultra-wide camera, and a larger vapor chamber for better cooling. Despite these upgrades though, the battery size and general form factor remain the same. I'll be doing a detailed comparison video of the Fold 5 versus the Fold 6 soon, so stay tuned. Samsung is pushing its new Galaxy AI to the forefront, similar to Apple's recent focus on AI features. The new Galaxy AI section in the Settings app includes features like Call Assist, Language Interpreter, Note Assist, and Transcript Assist. Other features like web page summarization in Samsung's browser and Generative Fill in the Gallery app enhance user experience. Drawing Assist can turn sketches into art, mimicking Apple's image playgrounds. The Z Flip 6 follows similar lines with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, squared sides, and a refreshed design. It matches the base S24's camera specs with a 50 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide. The battery increases from 3700 to 4000 mAh, and the inside screen now reaches 2600 nits. It also introduces a vapor chamber and a base of 12 gigabytes of RAM. New colored metal rings around the cameras distinguish this model. Both phones, unfortunately, are now $100 more expensive than last year's models. Samsung also announced 2 new watches, 2 new earbuds, and a smart ring. The Galaxy Watch 7 gets a refresh while maintaining a familiar design, starting at $299 for the 40mm version. The new Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra features a titanium body, sapphire crystal display, and a 590 mAh battery. It's water resistant up to 100 meters and includes dual frequency GPS and a custom mappable quick button. Clearly aimed at competing with the Apple Watch Ultra, the Watch 7 Ultra is priced at $650 compared to Apple's $800. I'll be doing a full review on the Galaxy Watch 7 in a later video, so be sure to stay tuned for that. The new Galaxy Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro have design elements reminiscent of the first generation AirPods. The Buds Pro feature ambient mode, soft tips, adaptive noise cancellation, and blade lights indicating different modes. The Buds 3 are priced at $179, while the Buds Pro are $249. I'll be doing a full review on the Buds 3 in a later video as well, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Finally, Samsung revealed details about their smart ring, a 24/7 fitness tracker, and here's everything you need to know. The Galaxy Ring will be available in 3 colors: titanium black, titanium silver, and titanium gold. In the US, the black and silver will have a matte finish, and the gold will have a glossy finish. This may vary by region. As the name suggests, the ring has a titanium finish made from grade 5 titanium, making it scratch resistant. It will be available in 9 sizes, from US size 5 to size 13. Samsung recommends wearing it on your index finger, though you can wear it on your middle or wedding ring finger too. To find your size, you can buy a sizing kit. The cost of the kit can be redeemed if you buy the Galaxy Ring. The ring is IP68 water and dust resistant up to 100 meters, so it's fine for swimming. It's compact, around 2.6 millimeters thick and 7 millimeters wide, weighing under 3 grams, with the smallest size 5 weighing around 2.3 grams. My first impressions are that it's very compact and it feels like a normal ring, which is key for sleep tracking. I dislike wearing a watch to sleep as it disturbs my sleep a bit, so a ring is more convenient. The Galaxy Ring also offers all the tracking you'd expect: sleep tracking, heart rate tracking, blood oxygen levels, and temperature. Samsung emphasizes Galaxy AI for analyzing this data and providing actionable results. Features include an energy score, wellness tips, advanced sleep tracking, and snoring recording if your smartphone is nearby. Yes, I said snoring recording. There's heart rate monitoring, auto workout detection, inactivity alerts, and cycle tracking using skin temperature. The Galaxy Ring is compatible with any Android smartphone using Android 11 or above, except Huawei smartphones due to the lack of Google Play services. Samsung Galaxy device users get exclusive controls like double pinching to snap pictures, start videos, or snooze alarms. The double pinch gesture works best on the index finger, however. Samsung Find helps you track down the ring if lost. The battery life is up to 7 days for the largest sizes, 12 and 13. Smaller sizes have smaller batteries, so they won't last as long, unfortunately. The multifunctional charging case included provides a full charge in around 80 minutes and can give 2 or 3 charges. The case charges via a USB Type-C or wirelessly. The Galaxy Ring can be used on its own or with a Samsung Galaxy Watch for longer battery life, around 30% more, because it won't need to take your heart rate as often. Pricing is at $399. You can pre-order it now using my link in the description below. It will be available on July 24th. Samsung has stated that access to all health data will be free and won't require a subscription, so the price is all-inclusive, unlike the Aura Ring. I'm excited that Samsung has entered the smart ring space. I've tried other smart rings before, but their tracking wasn't satisfactory. For example, I'd get alerts for a nap while watching a movie, which was annoying. I hope Samsung's R&D will provide better results. I'll be testing the Galaxy Ring long-term and comparing it to others. Now, as I stated earlier, this is just a preliminary taster of all the new models that Samsung just debuted. All the in-depth comparisons will be posted soon, so please stay tuned. So what's the verdict? Well, in summary, Samsung's event introduced 2 new phones, 2 new earbuds, 2 new watches, and a smart ring, all available soon and at premium prices. So what do you think of the Samsung Galaxy lineup? Will you be getting one? Any questions or comments? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Thanks for continuing to support my channel, and stay tuned for more in-depth hands-on comparisons. See you next time. Peace.